Good morning.
Welcome, Chef Daddy!
Hello.
Oo, solo flight.
Solo flight.
Nandiyan mas
Flight
pasok
tayo.
na.
Good
Chef,
morning.
good morning po. Ano meron? What's for breakfast?
Ang breakfast natin today ay ang what I call rush hour chicken fajita.
Ba,
Rush
chicken?
hour kasi mabilis, simple, masarap.
Bakit yung original way ba of making chicken fajita, Chef, matagal?
Matagal. Yung slow cook.
Ah, yes.
Diba?
yung
You
slow
put
cook.
everything together and you slow cook. Pero ito, medyo bibilisan lang natin kasi ideal. Ang chicken kasi madali namang maluto.
Given
yan
na
eh.
sabi mo, Chef, di ba slow cook kasi? So, para mabawi natin at makuha natin na may flavor pa rin and in a shorter cooking time, ano yung gagawin mo?
I-sear mo yung chicken.
Okay.
Hot wok. I-sear mo yung chicken to seal in the juices.
Yes.
Tapos yung vegetables mo, lagay mo na with the taco seasonings.
Kaya ang reminder lang sa mga nanonood, searing kailangan napaka-high ng
Hot
temperature
talaga
ng
yung
pan,
temperature.
di ba?
Yes.
Para pag patong mo ng meat, nagkaroon ng crust yung
Correct.
protein. Chef, ano yung ingredients ng
Okay.
rush hour, ano ta?
Rush hour chicken fajita.
Yes. What are the ingredients?
We have 1 kilogram of chicken breast.
Yes.
Ah,
Why chicken breast ang napili mo?
Madali kasi siya maluto
Easier
eh.
to cook.
Yeah, tsaka talagang tugma siya sa rush hour.
Okay, ano pa, Chef?
Tapos we also have red bell pepper, green bell pepper, white onions, thinly sliced. And taco seasoning, ginawa ko lang to made of cumin powder, garlic powder, onion powder, but store-bought is okay. Marami yan sa mga
And
supermarket.
then you pounded it into a powder form.
Powder form.
Parang ang basic flavors ng taco is cumin, red ginger, di ba? Ano pa ba siya?
Paprika,
Paprika,
chili, cayenne
chili.
powder.
So combination
of those. Tapos medyo i-pound mo siya o kaya i-process mo
Okay.
to make it really fine.
Siyempre, better yung fresh eh, di ba?
Yes, always.
Ano pa, Chef? Ingredients
Tapos,
pala.
meron tayong konting oil for searing. Konti lang.
Okay.
Tapos, we have yung another component niya is yung salsa. Chopped white onions.
So yung salsa mo, Chef, separate to.
Separate siya,
Okay.
separate.
So you have the white onions.
White onions, tomatoes, chopped tomatoes, tapos salt and pepper to taste, at saka ito, lime juice.
Okay.
Wala akong nakitang cilantro, pero tsaka merong iba na may aversion to
wansoy.
To wansoy.
Yeah.
So, skip that. Kung halimbawa, magsaserve ka niyan, you put it on the side lang kasi minsan bata
Yes,
yun.
ang dami
Kasi
mga-
may aftertaste siya eh.
Na yung mga
Pero,
kids na ayaw nga sa wansoy, Chef.
Pero I love it.
I love wansoy.
I love it.
Especially if used properly, no? The wansoy gives out a very good flavor, a
Yes.
balanced flavor. Yun lang nga, it's an acquired taste.
Correct,
Okay. Chef, I see, parang, is this sour cream?
sour cream, original na yan. Hindi na tayo nagtipid dyan. Kasi yun yung component ng fajita, di ba? Parang meron siyang
Yes.
chicken, meron siyang salsa, may sour cream siya,
So
may
sour cream, you have cheese, cheddar.
cheddar,
And then you have
grated
lime. And yung lime goes where?
Pag done na siya, you can squeeze lime.
Like yung other places, Chef, di ba? Nagsiserve sila ng fajita na yung on sizzling plates, di ba?
Yes.
So tapos yung lime, they
You
squeeze it
squeeze it.
over. So what's the first thing na gagawin natin dito?
And then also we have the flour tortilla. yan.
Okay. But yan, you can buy that ready-made, di ba?
Ready-made, pero I make one. Pero since madalian tayo, binili ko na rin.
Yan, kasi rush hour eh.
Rush hour
But
to.
ano una ba gagawin, Chef, dito?
Sear, dapat high heat muna.
High heat muna.
Yeah.
Okay, so syempre pinapainit muna natin ang pan. So, Kikay, ano ba gagawin natin ngayon? Ayun, lahat ng usapan traffic na ito nakakagutom.
Oo nga, kanina pa ako gutom na gutom.
Pati yung pagluto na traffic tuloy eh. Pero Chef, Chef, ito na ang atin dishes. No? This is the rush hour
Our chicken
fajita.
chicken fajita.
Rush hour. Tama-tama, rush hour ngayon.
Yes.
And of course, ito yung pita bread, no?
Pita bread.
Pita bread. We have
Tortilla.
we have the cheese, and then the caramelized onions and bell peppers.
And the chicken.
And the chicken.
Lime if you want it a little bit tangy.
And we have your cheese, your onions, di ba?
Salsa.
Salsa. And Chef,
sour cream.
and you made the pasta. What's this?
I made a creamy baked ziti with 3 cheeses.
Three
I
cheeses?
cannot identify the second. I have cream cheese. Actually, 4 siya. I have cream cheese, I have parmesan, and mozzarella na parang half a chunk lang. And 1 cheese that was given to me by my friend. Na hindi ko siya ma-identify kung ano siya. Nasa ref ko siya. So, I made use of it.
Wow.
So, 4 cheeses.
4 cheeses.
And then, garlic bread, French spaghetti.
French baguette garlic bread. Of course, Chef, all of these things na gusto nilang malaman yung recipes, where can they get a hold of you?
I have my own page. At Cheesy Spot, of course, from Facebook. You can also contact me by calling or texting at 0917-603-0171. You can also get in touch with me or my group by searching hashtag MK Pioneers. That's Malayang Kusina, Culinary Brilliance, the Pioneers. We have recipes there, we have activities. Masaya.
Any upcoming activity?
I think we have a feeding program. I cannot disclose with the person who cannot be named.
Okay.
Yeah, at
so,
this time.
so
medyo
planning pa rin?
On the planning stage pa rin, pero medyo clear na siya ngayon.
Okay. So, maraming salamat, Chef, for this breakfast.
It's my pleasure.
We're looking
Thank you
forward
for
to eating it and seeing you again next week. Hopefully.
Hopefully.
Gutom na gutom na.
Anong gutom?
Willing.
Gutom na gutom na gutom na gutom
Oo,
na.
gutom ako to the
Enjoy
highest
your
level.
breakfast.
Ayan na, doorbell.